Hello, my name is Beatrice Boatema, and me patcho me betche, and me betche aunties for no Regan. Na ya no who says say na no many do home, but winning baby a ton. You bet me baby be actual nice ones, like how many bed John, I'm telling you, because when I go to church and I have a wig on, I see them staring at me, be like, oh, like, where did you get your wig? Where did you get your wig? But you know, honestly, because say auntie for normal, they don't like to buy things online, you know. Okay, online, yeah, don't say no. I said, cause they don't like to buy things online, or then a card equation online. There are some of them who do like though, but I mean, for the ones I know, no, and it look like say, okay, online, yeah. Now I feel me so damn nice, no more. But you know what? Me be share them. Now me the link out to us here. No one ma baba now babe na say baby I will name online and you know what man not charmer because this week I show her mommy. I'm not lying to you. JJ, me mommy cry me could Toby. Who was it be me pebby and I'm Toby man cause I said it's so beautiful. You look cute. It's not too much on your head. Like simple and quick cut. So the first one I bet you is called Anita color 1B. Most Nayana on say Ghanaian for near pick color 1 color 1B. So this one is Anita color 1B. Oh, one or that's one. The more fit. Some young tea. Yeah, so it's simple. You don't need to do anything like on this wig. On your shea on this wig, just put it on. I'm telling you, just put it on. It's a quick wig. On your shea or wig real. One on. We show a wig cup. Then you not what the shea. No. Look at it. And it looks beautiful, right? It's perfect. And no one, that's it. And no one with the link in the better yeah. I don't know if so do a gun and also PBD wait me out to her because I mean yeah, American website so if I say do a gun now so wait me I'll put my my Gmail over to me. I must Gmail now. What I say? What's up, Miss Cano? Nice. A time I'm on the save ship because nice and I make crime for me when I'm a pay wholesale. Be I made me answer because no who say, Mammy, phone and a phone any auntie, phone any better who pad because a good work to have. Mammy, I'm not lying. Shall we go? Yeah, come in. We are young, but it looks nice to me, right? And you would say, hey, they will look popping. About popping. Okay, let's go to the next one. And also, so your friend, Anita. She about that song. Hey, Marco called Anita. So, yeah, color 1. Yeah, color 1. Black na. What do you mean call black na? What I say? Black na yeah. Cause some people be call sorry na pastor. Cause hey, auntie I'm the wig is showing you. Simple. Go with the black mommy. Okay. Now let's put this one on. And notice that you don't have to do nothing. The thing is, say, obi or big head, you know. Okay. When you do NUNA na shemi sisi and a new sunny light be daha. Ubeti me the powder na film. Makeup powder and I say foundation film and one on. Waiting a man at the daho so your mammy for na auntie for no mom bigger, Wait me another daho. Say you just use your hand or use a comb. That's it. Another daho. So pen crazy like me, so hey, now doing sa. What doing sa? Just use your hands to manipulate and lift the hair. Then that's how I will see pen. No. This is it. Done. Where is it? Yeah, no. When I call baby, when I'm say auntie, yeah. I don't know why you feel so cold. Sorry, ha. Yen can't be brave. What I see, it's in the link never twice. No harm, I will baby, and now I be a purchases. Why wouldn't be young swat? And no one is so treat you. Yeah, making sure they will take you direct. But sometimes, I say, we'll sign it up on. Also, we will email, we'll sign it up. Maybe, email so can wait me at all. The one say, you make sure say, body, I shame not what I say. But sometimes, I don't go for some people say, I feel not when I'm reviewing them tone because and also I'm wearing this shirts. I know say the shirts with it. Man of when it be a ninja home, but when it jump home, I'm a per life for also summer. Yes, you can get this shirt but there's also better website and also better description. So bye. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Like and subscribe.